Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this infographic design in 3 minutes. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide, then insert a rectangle like this. Then we're just gonna press Ctrl and duplicate it. Now we're gonna remove both of the outlines. Go to shapes and we're gonna give both different gradients. One is gonna be darker and one is gonna be lighter. Then what we're gonna do is put the shadow below them, which is a cropped oval shape. Then we're just gonna insert our text. Then what you have to do is add your text and icons. So let's just go to icons and insert the icons. We're just going to group all of the shapes, decrease their sizes, then put them back into the middle and the center of your slide. After editing some text, I'm just gonna make some more copies of these same shapes but change the color. Then we're just gonna change their colors. So we're just gonna stack them above each other like this. Then what you're gonna do is go for animations. One by one we're gonna give them an icon. So we're just gonna replace each of their icons first. Then after doing that, we're gonna add some text onto the left side, give it some loose space. We're gonna add a rectangle right here, put the text box right next to it, change its color. Then we're gonna give it a shadow. Similarly, we're gonna put it onto the right side as well, send it to the back, put the shade back on it, insert a rectangle on top of it, then put it back like this. Then after giving the animations and doing some more finishing stuff and changing the colors, this was the final result. If you want this template for free, you can just ask me for the link in the comments below. I will send you the link in the comments.